What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery in your 2019 Dodge Ram. Okay, so the first step is you're going to remove the emergency key from the bottom of the remote. There's a button right here. You're going to have to push this button and then you can pull the key right out. The next part, what we're going to do is we're going to take this back cover off, and you're going to need a little flathead screwdriver to do that. Right here, you have a little slit right here and right here. These are made for prying the door, like the cover off. So we're going to start with this side here, put it in there a little bit, move up, you can hear it kind of click and pop. Put it in this side, you can hear it kind of click and pop. Okay, so once you get the cover off, here's the battery. To get it out, you kind of have to slide it down to get it out, and then we're going to pry it out with the flathead screwdriver. Okay, get your new battery. The size is going to be a CR2450, and the positive side is going to be facing you. If you need to get a battery, I'll leave a link down in the description box where you can get some on Amazon, so check that out. But put the new one in. We're going to slide it in like this and just push it on there. Then you get your cover. You replace your cover by just snapping the cover back on. Okay, and then you can just replace the emergency key, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.